Hi everybody, welcome to Riggs Garage. This is Eric, and today I'm going to be talking about the 63 Chevy C10 that has a big block Chevy in it. Some people have been asking me what the next videos are going to look like, so I'm going to kind of run over what all this truck needs and the different projects that are probably coming up throughout this year once I get the 70 Mustang Fastback running. So I'm going to go through everything here, show you a few pieces of the truck, and let me know if you think of any cool projects that might fit in with kind of the budget theme of this project. Hit me up in the comments below. I definitely always respond to comments, and if you have cool ideas, put them in there. And then at the end, and probably up in the cards, I'm going to link to the other truck videos I have and the Mustang videos, so check those out as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Here's the 454. The first thing I'd like to revise is cooling system. That's going to lay me stranded once the weather gets hot. I use this universal hose that I had sitting around. It kind of kinks here and it kind of leaks a little bit and it's just garbage. I have an angled water neck that'll bring it up here, and I'll use probably a factory C10 hose at an angle here. The engine does keep cool though, that's really nice. The next thing I need is a fan shroud or electric fans. It's just not funneling air well enough. If I do idle in hot traffic, it will creep up the temperature. Now this radiator that I got for 60 bucks a long time ago on Craigslist, it's garbage and leaks in like 14 different places. That's not an exaggeration. So I'm going to revise that. I do have an overflow tank for it. Spark plug wire organization, that's going to happen. And then my battery, I think it's down a cell and it doesn't last very long, so I have to charge it all the time. This 4-speed granny low, it's kind of fun to cruise in, but it's got to go. I need a better, like a Muncie M21 or something a lot more expensive than that. 4-speed, 5-speed, 6-speed, whatever. Or maybe a built automatic if I decide to do some sort of boost with this big block. I'm going to put a stick shift in the 70 Mustang, and I do have a stick shift in my daily driver Civic, so I do get my stick shift fix in. So if this had an automatic, it probably wouldn't hurt my feelings. I'm going to do a video where I install some kind of seat belts. There's only one like old airplane style seat belt on the driver's side here. So I'll do a video on installing nice shoulder belts so I can bring kids along in here and so I can have a chance of survival. The truck has no e-brake either. That's worth something. I think it'd be valuable to fix the e-brake. Also, the turn signal cam has turned into dust, so turn signals would be great. Then I think the last thing I'll do is get the fuel gauge running. I have a new sending unit in the rear mounted tank. While we're on the inside, you can see I have some large vents in the floor on this side, and my rocker panel is Swiss cheese. So rockers and cab structure are coming up. It needs tires. They're all weather checked and they live a rough life out back here. There might be some minor structural repairs on the fenders here. I am going to keep the fenders so the patina all matches, but I might weld in a chunk here. Hi, Noah. Power steering leaks like crazy around the pitman arm. It literally drips, so I'm constantly dumping fluid in there. And finally, I'd like to lower it. Right now, it's got pretty serious gap in the fender up front here. I like to lower it probably 3 or 4 inches out front, and then a couple in the back. I've read that Chevy springs lower these a few inches, so I actually found a pair of those for free for the rear, so I might throw those in and see how it looks. If that doesn't work very well, I might do a slight lowering block. Something that's always been on my mind with this truck is some sort of big, cheap boost. I know it's a terrible idea and will probably break a lot of things, but I'm thinking a big S475, S480 Borg Warner here, or a HT3B off a semi-truck. Set it right here, blow the exhaust out that way somewhere. Relocate the battery. I don't know. If you have a cheap turbo that's a good turbo, like Borg Warner, you know, a factory OEM turbo, and you want to get rid of it, let me know in the comments below, because sometimes bad decisions are fun decisions. I do have a mechanical secondary carb that I could mod for boost. There's, you know, the Hanger 18, I believe. There's a big write-up on doing a DIY mechanical secondary Holley double pumper. And I would just run straight boost to the carburetor, no intercooler, low boost, like 6 pounds of boost, something like that, and tune it with a wideband. I know it's a terrible idea, and I'll probably blow my engine up, and transmission, and rear end, and twist drive shafts, and destroy tires. But that could be fun. There you have it. Lots of fun stuff to do. Like and subscribe. Lots of more fun videos coming your way. The Mustang's in the garage here. I'm building the engine for that right now. Should be great. Thanks for watching.